Hello, everyone. Thank you for stopping by to watch another episode here at ALliseeisW, where we talk about finance and self development. Well, today I wanted to create this video to share with you 10 stocks that can add value to your investment portfolio. First off, just be mindful that the information I'll be sharing with you should be used as guidance information only. And whenever you do make an investment, please always make sure to do your research. Take my information as guidance to your strategy towards investing. Let's get started. Well, first off, before I begin, also please make sure to subscribe to this channel for more related content and like this video content. Now, number one ticker I wanted to share with you is Nano Dimension, ticker Nndm. Today it had run over 10%, where now the current share price is hovering at $8. Volume trading is around $21 million. And this is a company that is trying to streamline how manufacturing of electronics are being done. And in fact, they just acquired a company that leverages AI, deep learning. So as you can see, this company in the long run will scale up and will be providing some high-end, high-quality products through machine learning capabilities. And that's only going to make this company catapult and grow in its future valuation with its share price. I am predicting if you hold this ticker long term from 2021 up through 2022, it can ramp all the way up to like $30 share price. So let's not lose sight of what Nndm can do. Now, previously, early February, a lot of stocks were in the high end where the value was in the double-digit share price. However, with Nano Dimension, as you can see, it's already lost most of its valuation since February. However, right now is still a great buying opportunity. I mean, it would have been better if you got in at $6. However, the V shape is coming for Nndm, so let's not lose sight of the potential in this company. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is in the biotech sector, and that is Ocugen by the ticker OCGN. Now, this company has been running. I mean, last week it's been bull running. If you look at my prior video on OCGN, that was a time when it was bull running. However, today it's still running. This Pennsylvania-based company that's working on a wide number of products in the vaccine space, the modifier gene therapy platform, and novel biologic. As you can see, this company has a product that they're working on called Covaxin. And can you imagine, let's say, if this product is able to scale up and get into the high demand areas such as India? I mean, as you can see here, emergency use authorization in India for development partner. Phase 3 in progress in India by development partner. US EUA pathway in development. So what if you hear emergency use in these territories? That will make this company's share price catapult all the way up to $30. I was recommending this ticker at $5. However, currently now it's in the double-digit share price range, but that's not to say that it won't continue to bull run up. And my firm prediction is getting all the way up to $30 share price. As you can see, there are a number of different products that are in IND enabling studies at this time in position to get into phase 1 clinical trials. So a very high quality company focused on different retinal diseases in the eye, dry age related macular degeneration, and there's also products in the diabetic space related to edema and retinal diseases. So as you can see, this company not only has COVID-19 related products in the vaccine sector, but they're also working on different products that can add value in the future. So let's not lose sight of this ticker because it can continue bull running up. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is an interesting company that is based out in San Diego, and that is BioNano Genomics, ticker Bngo. Why do I like this company so much? Well, they have a solid platform where it focuses not only in cancer, but also in genetic diseases, genome assembly, and they have strong growth in the clinical research space, for example, cytogenomics. In fact, they have a product called Sapphire, as you can see over on the right here, and this product is being scaled out, being researched in the UK. And in fact, when you look at some of the news going on, I mean, there's just been so much news going around with BioNano Genomics, and today it bull runs significantly by like close to 24%. Now the question is, can it get back up to the double-digit share price range? I have high conviction that it will break through that. You hold this ticker long term, it can get beyond the $25 to $30 share price. Where it is right now, it's at $7. I have belief that this company is going to continue running from a long-term perspective. So let's not lose sight of what this company can do for you. I mean, it has products in the cancer-related space, a number of products that they're working on, but specifically Sapphire is taking a lot of focus right now, at least in the COVID-19 space. So let's not lose sight of what Bngo can do for you. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is a company that's based out in South San Francisco. Ticker is AGEN, Agenus. Why do I like this San Francisco-based biotech company? Well, they are working on a wide number of products that are in preclinical trials and clinical trials. In fact, they have an approved product already focused on antibodies. As you can see here, there's cell therapy, vaccines for glioblastoma, for cancer. They have different products for shingles, malaria. I mean, the shingles product is already approved and they're partnering up with GSK. So that's just huge, right? And looking at their open positions, they have hiring in Berkeley, in Massachusetts, in different territories internationally. So that just tells you that Agenus is going to add value in the long run. In fact, they're also working with Gilead, a company based out in Foster City in California, very known. And this is huge. I mean, they even have partnerships with Greater China on different immune modulating antibodies. I was recommending this ticker recently when it got down to like $2.80, and now it's bull run up within the last prior days. You can still get in at $3.40 where it currently is at, and I have high belief that it can ramp up in the short term up to like $6 easily and go beyond that, potentially up to like $7, $8 from my perspective. And if you hold this long term, that double-digit share price range is looking very tasty from my perspective with this high-quality company based out in San Francisco. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is a very unique biotech company where they are leveraging plant-based compounds, and that company is called Jaguar Health. I mean, I really like its targeted focus. I mean, specifically in humans and animals as well. When you look at their pipeline, they have products, MyTC, that's specific to a target audience of adults with HIV and AIDS, and we know that the symptoms for HIV and AIDS would be anti-diarrheal because people experience very bad bowel movement, right? And that's why things go bad for patients impacted with this disease. And this is the only FDA approved product right now that can be used on patients with HIV and AIDS, and that's just basically monopolizing the market right now. I mean, at least with this drug product. And with this drug product for animals, there's this product called Canalevia. I mean, this is huge, right? I mean, when you have products for the veterinarians to be used, that's basically entering an oligopoly market where you don't have too much drugs for dogs. I mean, dogs do experience diarrhea as well. And I like Jaguar because they are focused on a target audience where there's not too many competitors. Current share price is around the $1. I mean, previously it ramped all the way up to $4. So the question is, can it 3x, 4x from to get back to its prior resistance? I have firm belief that it will. It's not a matter of if, but when. So if you have the propensity to invest in a company like Jaguar Health, it can add value in the long run. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is an interesting company, Rigel Pharmaceuticals. I really like this company because they are a high quality based company where they also have products related for the COVID-19, but that's not to say that's their only product line. When you look at their commercialized products here, they have already approved products for thrombocytopenia, specific for spleen tyrosine kinase. They have adult chronic related products in Europe as well as in Canada. So this specific product is approved for use in the United States as well as in Europe and Canada. That's huge right now. When you look at different product lines, I mean, soon this product will get approved in Israel, Japan, and Asia as well. So that's going to be huge. And they actually have clinical trials for this product here that I'm hovering through. In phase 3, there's a fostamatinib that's in phase 2, and that's for patients that are really sick in the hospital right now. And these products can actually reduce cycle time for patients to leave the hospital setting. So as you can see, there's a number of COVID-19 related drug products here that are in clinical trials in phase 2 specifically. There's also immune disease products for threonine protein kinase, and there's also partnered sponsored trials in oncology for COVID-19, oncology, chronic asthma. So there you go. There's a robust product pipeline for Rigel Pharmaceuticals, and that's why from a share price standpoint, it's been bull running. I mean, I was recommending this when it was at the low twos, and now it's bull running up, getting close to like the $4 and beyond. My prediction is that it's going to reach the double-digit share price range once you hold this long term, because these products will likely get approved for use because the clinical benefits outweigh the risk. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is Ethereum Classic. Now, as you can see, ETC, I really like this ticker because it previously ran all the way up to $49, and that basically just broke the performance of what it achieved back in 2017. However, we know, looking at the performance compared to like Bitcoin and the standard Ethereum, ETH and BTC had already broke its prior performance long ago. However, with ETC, it recently just broke out, and the volcano will erupt with this ticker play here. And from my perspective, if you hold this long term through the end of the year up through 2022, it can ramp up to 250 per coin. That's just my takeaway with Ethereum Classic, the only cryptocurrency play that I'm recommending at this time in this video. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is INND, company called Interscope Hearing Technologies, based out in Roseville, California. They are a medical device company, Class 2, classified by the US FDA, where they are a direct-to-consumer hearing solutions, not just hearing aids. They actually have a wide number of products where they also sell medical devices as well as hearing tetanitis vitamins with CBD related extracts. And in fact, they are working with Walmart and Amazon Prime e-commerce, and actually they have a Hear IQ app that has been rolled out on the Apple Store as well as on Google. And today, interesting news was released where INND had partnered up with Audio Cardio, and this is basically going to start subscription of $14.99 per month, where Audio Cardio is a mobile app that delivers a science and database backed sound therapy designed to maintain and straighten your hearing by stimulating the cells inside your ear. It's like physical therapy for hearing. That's just huge, right? Leveraging technology to improve your hearing through sound therapy, and you can monitor your progress by having decibel evaluations through monitoring day over day. And just by looking at this here, I mean, threshold sound conditioning has been clinically proven with Stanford University, Samsung Medical Center, and Palo Alto Medical Foundation, Suter Health. And this is huge because with this partnership, it just stamps the validity that INND is working with value-add companies, right? And as you can see here, Audio Cardio is actually supported by Children's Hospital of Los Angeles, University of Southern California, USC, and the City of Los Angeles. So this just tells you that INND not only is working with partners all around the world, but now they are concentrating their focus with partnerships in Southern California as well. So the branding of IND will start being exposed all around California, not just concentrated in the Bay Area. So that's very value add with today's news. And once the company announces SEC compliance with OTC Pink, where they are officially compliant with their financials, as well as receiving FDA guidance on over-the-counter medical device hearing aids, I have high conviction that this ticker will run up significantly. First, breaking the 10 cents, and you hold it long term from 2021 up through 2022, you're looking at easy $1 from my perspective. Next ticker I wanted to share with you is a biotech company that's based out in San Diego, and that is Skye Bioscience. They are working on trying to advance significant unmet needs, specifically targeted in the ocular space, where patients are dealing with blindness, for example, with glaucoma. Now, they are using a novel cannabinoid-based therapy with an all-star team they're working with ophthalmologists from Stanford University, Mount Sinai, scientists from University of Italy in Spain, where they have worked with University of Mississippi to bioengineer natural medicine cannabinoids, THC, VHS, with valine hemisuccinate amino acids added to their drug molecule that's patented so that it can reduce intraocular pressure in the eye, and that's the leading cause for glaucoma. And what's so unique is that there's no drug product that leverages cannabinoids right now. And what's interesting is there's two preclinical trials going on right now for reduction in IOP against commercially available products, as well as potentially providing neuroprotective effects. That's going to be huge, where this company is tapping into a billion-dollar market, as you can see here with the THC VHS program for glaucoma. It will be getting into phase 1 clinical trials, where they will have about 65 patients being evaluated with application of THC VHS in the eye for healthy patients to evaluate safety and tolerability, and that will be a very fast phase 1 clinical trials. In fact, they had just finished up with their CMC, chemistry manufacturing controls, and they are working with their clinical research organization to get this laser sharp focus to begin human trials in the second half of the year. So I'm very excited with this company, and I have high conviction that this ticker will break the whole dollar share price range, currently at 12 cents per share. Now, the last ticker I wanted to share with you is an interesting company that is transforming how we look at e-mobility, fintech, electric vehicles, clean energy, and that is Ideanomics, IDEX. Today, it bull run as well. I mean, it gained significantly when you look at its current share price, but its main focus is to shape the future of e-mobility and fintech. Its mission is to act as a catalyst for disruption to those industries where improvements in sustainability, transparency, and freedom of choice would have profound benefits on a global scale. Now, from a share price standpoint, I believe that currently it is undervalued. So let's say if you do your research and you find that this company can add value, take advantage of this. I mean, look, Wave by Ideanomics, powering the largest wireless fleet in the United States. Mobile Energy Global, accelerating commercial EV adoption in China. There's just so much pollution in the air. I mean, specifically in an industrial area like China. There's Solectrac, climate smart electric tractors. I mean, there's just so much carbon release from just tractors right now. If you can leverage electric tractors in the farming environment, that's going to be huge, adding value with zero emission agriculture and utility operations in the long run. And there's also real estate reimagined. So this really just reduces the waste steps, making it more streamlined. And from a long-term perspective, I have high conviction that IDEX can run. I mean, currently at $2.20. Can it break double-digit share price range? I firmly believe so. So overall, these are the tickers I wanted to share with you. If you found this video valuable, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe to my channel, ALliseeisW, for more related content. Please also take a look at the links down below to support my branding, as well as different links that you can look at through Amazon. Let's say if you don't have an account, look at the Webull link I have down below, where you can potentially gain on free stocks as well. So take advantage. And I also shared with you natural supplements that I take on a daily basis to improve my A game, so that we can live a healthier lifestyle and improve on a growth mindset. Overall, thank you so much, and you have a wonderful day all. Goodbye.